Hi everyone, welcome to Happiness with Hema, and this is Gandhi Jyanthi special. Do you know Gandhiji was a big follower of nature cure? And following his footsteps, I follow holistic lifestyle. This includes nature cure and self-cure habits like Jalniti, which is a cleansing process, oil pulling, which is a gut cleanser and cure you from many diseases. This nature cure also include face yoga, which not only beautifies your skin but also helps in detox and lymphatic drainage. Many yogic exercises and mudras which helps to self-correct your vision. In holistic healing, there are so many self-healing activities like reflexology, nature walk, and some breathing meditation practices which helps you to lead life with conscious choices and awareness. In short, we can say that nature cure is a self-healing without pills and surgery. So let's lead and educate our younger generation towards holistic lifestyle, a way of life in which there is no room for illnesses or diseases. As Gandhiji quoted, disease springs from a breach of the laws of nature. So it's a good idea to flow with the nature with holistic lifestyle. I deeply appreciate the efforts of Sattvic movement in this field, as they quoted, "This Gandhi Jyanti, let's choose to be healthy the way Bapuji wanted us to be."